ModBus is an application layer messaging protocol. It's layer 7, level 7 of the OSI model, the application layer. It's been traditionally used in industrial applications. It was created by Modicon specifically for PLC communications, and then over the years it has spread. It's one of the most popular protocols out there. It is an open protocol now, maintained by the ModBus organization. If you need the specification, you can get it from modbus.org. But nowadays, ModBus is used even outside of the industrial space. It's used often in the solar and other renewable applications, as well as in other utility applications. So like I mentioned, it's an application layer messaging protocol, and it's a client-server communication. And it can be between devices on different types of buses. So say a serial bus, could be a RS-232 or 485, TCP/IP. So ModBus, a TCP over Ethernet, which is nothing more than ModBus serial encapsulated in that TCP. And then there's ModBus Plus, not used as much anymore, but was a high-speed token network. And you can see, any device on any one of those buses could communicate with another bus. It is, like I mentioned, a client-server protocol. So you initiate a request. You can see there's in the request, there's a function code, and we'll get into what the function codes are, and the data request. That part of the message is called a protocol data unit, a PDU. So that PDU then goes to the server. The server accepts that, parses it, performs the action, initiates a response, which is another PDU, and the client receives the response. There is, an exception to that. If the server accepts the message, but maybe doesn't support the function code, or there's something else wrong, there is another PDU called the exception response PDU, and that would give you an exception function code and the exception code to let you know what failed.